Come on, Mama. This is our little baby bird. This is Papa right here next to me. Here's Mama. Here's baby. Here you go, Papa. Look at little baby. Baby's getting big. Here you go, Papa. Get a little closer for baby. Hey, baby. Let me see if I can get them to eat some bread. It's super windy here today. There you go, Papa. Here, Mama. Let's see if I can get one to baby. Here, baby. Oh, Papa, I hit you. It's too windy. It's too windy. Baby is getting so big. Oh, baby got it. Here you go, Papa. So windy, I'm trying to crumple it up. Let's look at baby. There's baby. Hi, baby. They don't make any noise. Baby. Oh, there's a little noise. Mama looks like she's sharing with baby. Oh, baby got it. Ha ha, Mama. Too big for baby. Here you go, Papa. Baby got it again. Oh, I hope this wind is not going to interrupt our filming here. Hey, where you going? They look very friendly today. Look at the back of that little baby. They're so cute. Woo! Whoa, we're running for it today. Yes, we are. Here you go, Pops. Got the back of baby. Hey, baby cakes.